Hi everyone, this is Gliza, made with Glee. In today's video, I'm participating in the Winter Kitchen Vignette collaboration that is hosted by the very lovely Denise Jordan from This and That with Denise Jordan. Denise does this challenge seasonally. She wants us to use a tray that's portable so that we can move, if we need to use our counter space or anything. And she has some very specific requirements for each of these vignette challenges that she puts out. And for this one, she wanted us to use florals. She wanted us to use something with words, but it had to be in the form of a recipe. And she also wanted to use some sort of kitchen utensil. Now, I am in the process of cleaning up my house. I keep Christmas stuff up until January 6th, which was yesterday. Today's the 7th, so I'm actually taking down all my Christmas stuff and, just cleaning up and stuff. So right now we're in the kitchen. I've taken down all my gingerbread theme stuff, and this is what I'm going with. So here on my tray, which is the same tray I use for all of these challenges, it needs a little paint job, which will probably happen soon, but that's the tray I've always been using. I have my gnome cookie jar and the floral, which is like a little hydrangea in a pot. And for my utensils, I have these heart-shaped measuring spoons. Now I also have this little, I guess it's like a mail organizer or napkin holder that you can use. I got a souvenir from Guyana when I went to visit last year. So I'm going to use that to prop open my cookbook. And this is a Caribbean cookbook. And I just decided to open it to a page. Creole chicken sounds good to me. So and I like the little illustration on that page. So that is how I'm gonna decorate it for right now. So I like to have a candle in the kitchen because we cook curry and stuff like that, and I always need something to get rid of some of that aroma. So that's why the candle is there. It's usually in some part of my kitchen, whether you see it in my vignette or not. The gnome, he is red and white, and he actually has a little heart on his hat. So I think it goes well for, going into the Valentine's Day holiday coming up. So red and white plus the heart shape. And then also the measuring spoons are heart-shaped. So I'm kind of tying in or bringing in a little bit of Valentine's Day into my vignette. Now the candle I've been using actually since November. It's my favorite one from Bath and Body Works, Leaves. Yes, I like that one a lot. So it's almost done. I have maybe like less than a third, maybe a quarter of it left to go. And again, for my recipe, here is the Creole chicken. That's Denise wanted, to have a recipe in our vignette. So that's actually, I'm probably going to end up using that recipe today or tomorrow and make chicken and see how it comes out. I'll let you know. I've cooked a couple things from this cookbook, but I just liked it because I think I picked it up on vacation. So that's why I have that particular cookbook. And the floral is just like a simple faux hydrangea in a little pot. So this is how I'm currently decorating my vignette. Thank you, Denise, for this very fun collaboration. I enjoy participating in the vignette challenges. Actually, being that I'm cleaning up today, this goes perfect. I know I'm a day late, but it's always better to be late than never. So even though I'm late, I'm glad I was able to jump in on this. So thank you, Denise. I will be linking Denise's channel as well as a playlist in the description box below so that you can check out how everyone else is decorating their kitchen vignettes for the rest of the winter. And here in South Florida, winter, it's relative. So this is what I'm going with. So thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that like button, and come back later on this week for an update on my paint by number kit. And more updates coming soon. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye.